Let's discuss the watermarks in the Word document. This is a topic that is often overlooked, but it is crucial if you need to include a logo, text, or other elements in a document from your company.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
I checked out the design guide for watermarks. Here are some types: horizontal, normal, and here other examples. Let's click here for example. The watermark has already been displayed. Let me zoom in a little. It is already shown. I can remove it. Now let's customize a watermark. Let's insert an image. I can insert an image from Bing, Images, OneDrive, or my computer. Let's add from the computer. I'll use this logo that I already have open. Here, which scale do you want? 50, 100, or 150? I'll set it to 50. I will put OK. Now let's apply it and see if it actually works. I will select 50. Here it applied. I could also choose a lower percentage. For example, 50. Okay. It will adjust based on the percentage we applied. You can use it for your company's logo, for example. Let's remove it here. Let's personalize it now. Let's add some text. Let's put non-taxable document. Here I can select the font. I will leave the caliber. I'll set the size to 54. Diagonal or horizontal? Diagonal. All right. No changes needed. The watermark has been added now. You can customize it. If you want to include an image or pattern, you can put a sentence that you understand. To customize and adjust according to your preferences.